I was raised where the pine trees whisper and the screen door sang in the wind. Sunday mornings in worn-out shoes and a heart that didn't know where it had been. Mama's voice like a hymn from heaven. Daddy bowed his head in the pew. I didn't know all the words they were saying, but I felt every one ring true. There was something in the air back then. I still hear it now and again. There's church bells in my soul, ringing soft and low, calling me back home, no matter where I go. Through the doubt and the miles I roam, through the nights I walk alone, I can still hear heaven roll. Those church bells in my soul. I've stood in the lights of 1,000 stages, heard the roar of a restless crowd, but it don't sound like that little white chapel where the truth didn't need to be loud. I've chased down dreams like a wildfire burning, watched them fade like smoke in the sky. But the sound of grace keeps returning, like a tear I don't have to hide. When the world gets heavy on me, that old melody sets me free. There's church bells in my soul, ringing soft and low, calling me back home, no matter where I go. Through the doubt and the miles I roam, through the nights I walk alone, I can still hear heaven roll. Those church bells in my soul. I ain't always walked that straight line. I've stumbled more than I can say, but every time I lose my way, I hear them bells and I pray.
There's church bells in my soul,
Ringing strong and bold, like a hand I can hold when the world turns cold. Through the fire and the broken road, through the weight of the life I chose, I can still hear heaven roll. Those church bells in my soul, ringing in my soul. Oh Lord, don't let me go. Let those church bells lead me home. on truth, raised on grace. But there's a fire I can't escape. Hey! I learned to pray before I learned to run. Hands together, looking up to the sun. But somewhere down that crooked road, I felt a flame I couldn't control. Every step pulled me two different ways, one toward light, one into the blaze. I hear heaven call my name, but I still feel that burning flame. Am I lost or am I found? Why is this fire still hanging around? I was raised on fire, born between the truth and desire. Got a soul that won't sit still, and a heart I can't tame or kill. I hear the choir, but I feel the flame, both calling out my name, trying to walk that holy wire. But I was raised on fire. Hey! I've seen the crowd with their hands up high, felt that power rushing through my life. But when the lights all fade to black, it's just me and the truth I lack. I've danced with shadows I can't outrun, felt the heat of what I've become. And every time I try to change, that same old spark ignites again. Is it sin or is it me? Is this who I'm meant to be? I was raised on fire, born between the truth and desire. Got a soul that won't sit still, and a heart I can't tame or kill. I hear the choir, but I feel the flame, both calling out my name, trying to walk that holy wire. But I was raised on fire. Lord, can you hear me now? Hear him now. I'm lost somewhere between somehow. Bring him back. I feel the heat, I feel the pull. You're not alone. Am I broken? Oh, just come back home. 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 I ain't running, I ain't hiding, but I don't know where I stand. I was raised on fire, with a soul that climbs higher and higher. But the fall comes just as fast, and I don't know how long I'll last. I hear the choir, but I feel the flame, both fighting for my name, trying to walk that holy wire. But I was raised on fire, raised on fire. Lord, take me higher, raised on fire, or put out the flame.